Okay, turn your cameras on, guys. Let's go. Twagalamere. Twagalamere. Twagalamere.
We want food. We're hungry.
Turn your cameras on. Food. Oh, you're discontent.
Anointing for sure.
Twagalamere. Twagalamere.
Food.
Twagalamere.
How long you take on?
Twagalamere. Twagalamere. Samuel Kalule, Mr. Karim, Secretary, turn your cameras on. Turn your cameras on. Turn your cameras on. For your discontent. Turn your cameras on. Turn your cameras on, comrades. Turn your cameras on. Candles cameras on. We are soon closing. Candles cameras on. All right, Thank you, comrades, for today. We are going to be doing this every Friday. We in the diaspora are going to be doing this every Friday. Thank you, comrades. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for representing. Thank you very much.
All right then. Are we done?
Power is our power.
Our power is bigger than the people in power. Remember that.
Power.